What's the meaning of blot? Blot. Blot.
Blot. Blot. The word blot can have various meanings depending on the context. As a verb, it refers to the act of smudging or staining a surface with a liquid or substance. It can also mean to besmirch or tarnish someone's reputation, as in he blotted his copybook by cheating on the exam. As a noun, it can refer to a spot or stain caused by ink or other substance, or a weakness or flaw in someone's character. In literature, a blot can also be used to describe a mistake or error in a printed work. Overall, the word blot often carries negative connotations and suggests a mark of imperfection or blemish.